Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working. So guys, here you can see hotspot is grayed out, means it not working on my iPhone. So guys, if you have this type of problem, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings, and guys, after this you need to scroll down, click on general, and guys, after this you need to scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and here you can see the option of reset network settings. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, here you need to put passcode of your iPhone, and after resetting network setting, then problem will be fixed. So guys, after resetting this network setting, then you need to go back and open your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and after opening it, then your hotspot will be working fine. So guys, now I am checking this. So guys, here you can see when I am clicking on it, and wait for a few seconds. So after connecting my Wi-Fi, then I am checking that my hotspot is working or not. So so guys, here you can see now my personal hotspot, here you can see now is still not working on my phone. So guys, if still not working hotspot, then guys you need to go back and open your settings again, scroll down, click on general, and guys, after this you need to scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on erase all content and settings. So guys, you need to all the reset your iPhone, and guys, after doing reset you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, simply you need to click on software update and check that your phone is updated or not. So guys, here you can see my iPhone is up to date to latest iOS version 17. So guys, if you are using less iOS version, then you need to update your iPhone to iOS 17. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to click on Apple Sport, and guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds, and wait for its new page opening. And guys, here you can see this is my iPhone. You need to select your gadget from here, and guys you need to click on more, and here you need to find hotspot. So wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you can see hotspot is there. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this you need to wait. And guys, here you can see if personal hotspot is not working, so guys you need to click on it, and after clicking it on you need to wait, and after this you need to scroll down and click on no. And guys, after this, here you need to write your appeal in means if you have any kind of problem related to hotspot, then you need to write here your problem. And guys, after writing your problem, simply you need to click on submit, and after submitting within a day or within few hours your problem will be fixed. So guys, if you do not want to write any message, then guys, when you clicking on hotspot, then here is the option of call. So guys, simply you need to click on call, and you need to call on these two numbers, first one. If not responding, then you need to call second one. And guys, after calling them Apple Sport, then guys you need to tell them your hotspot related problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.